Hello, gorgeous. Are you ready to get some more organizing ideas, especially now that spring is in the air, spring fling, spring fever, whatever you want to call it? I have a few projects that I need to get done. Today's video is another organization video with one arm, that's right. I'm gonna share with you, in that space right there, that's my closet. I previously loaded a video on purse storage and where I got the purse storage solutions that are very inexpensive. I got some containers from Walmart. Okay, Walmart. You might want to go on my playlist and give that a look-see. That video is a great organization and storage resource. It's aesthetic, practical, and inexpensive, so go on my playlist, and I think it might be under organization or something like that. Give it a look-see. Then I have a shoe storage solution that I also got from Temu. This is not a sponsored video, but
Temu, I'm available.
And I'm going to share with you how I've been using that purse organization system and what it looks like in my closet. I still have a lot more purses that I need to transfer into those storage bags. I'm still waiting on my order to get in, but just to give you an idea of what it can look like. Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back and welcome to my lifestyle sauce. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle, and you're watching a beauty, fashion, food, and all things lifestyle channel. My closet is, you know, it's nice, and to me, I like it. However, I do want to customize it myself, but it's not on the top list of priorities for home projects and things like that. I don't know if you get my drift. Anywho, let's get to this closet and let me show you what I have for storage that I think is going to be a great solution for your shoes or your loafers or whatever. And then let me share with you how the purses look in those storage bags. I'm really liking this. Things are kind of tight in here. I have another side, I have these lights blaring in my face here. So I'm gonna try to get through this as soon as possible because I'm starting to verschwitz in here. But anywho, this tower right here is easy to assemble and it's very inexpensive, it's practical. The only thing that I was bummed out about was that maybe about a week after I ordered this, I realized that they come in gray and they also come in black. Now, I did not see those colors at the time that I ordered this, so I just ordered it in the brown. Is that a big deal? No, but it would have been nice so that it could, you know, coordinate with everything else in the closet. Anywho, that's no big deal. Now this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 to 9. I think it has 9 shelves in there, and it's easy to assemble, no screws or anything. It's just, you know, a little bit of muscle and a little tension, and that's it. And it has this canvas right here that you slip over all the rods, and then it has this flap that zips down on both sides. If you want to keep your shoes covered and you don't want to see your shoes. And then it has these pockets here on the side that I have a shoehorn in, and I have some silicone shoe pads. You know, just things that are shoe related is what I keep here on these sides of pockets. Now, going back to this particular item here, I'm going to come a little close. I might have to take the camera off of the tripod there to show you up closer. So let me roll this up. See, it has this flap, and then you roll it up, and it has a Velcro there in the back. Let me see if I could do this while I'm on camera here.
Try to do this as quickly as possible. Okay, oh.
It's kind of hard doing things with one hand, guys, but guess what? I'm getting it done. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. Come on, work with me. The people are watching. Let me be great. Okay. That's the best that is gonna happen for right now. So, all right, I'm gonna have to take the camera off the tripod, and because this is a tight angle and my camera doesn't fit right there in front of me. So let me get to that. I'll be back. This is what the unit looks like. Currently, I have most of my loafers in here and a few other little shoes here and there, and those are mules and slide-on mules and flats that are in there, and I double them up, as you can see, all the way to the bottom. Yeah, let me step back just a little bit so that you can see a little better. And that's what it looks like. And the side view there, it has 2 pockets. And as I showed before, it has 2 zippers on the side, so you can take that flap right there and unroll it so that you don't see any of your shoes if you don't want to. And this is my vanity. And do we see this desk? This desk, oof, I think the lady said it's over 70 years old. It's solid wood and it's all chippy, but I like that. And I went and I put these what is it, crystal or glass knobs on them, and it just upped the ante on the vanity there. And see here, I have some of my makeup there, and I have some skincare here, skincare there, and I make it work. Okay, so let me show you what the purses look like. Do we see? That's what the purses in the storage looks like up there. You can even double them. I just put the heavier purses on the bottom. And by the way, I stuff all of my purses so that way they keep their shape. And I have more purses over there that I need to transfer to this system right here. But do we see how easy, how aesthetic, and how neat that is? I like that you can see all the purses. You don't have to pull all your dust bags down and pile them up on your floor and try to find the one bag that you're looking for. This is so practical for me. I am really enjoying this system. Can't wait till they're all done. Okay, so I'm giving you a sneak peek as to what my closet looks like. It's not really fancy, but I really like it. And my daughter gifted me that chandelier the week that we moved in here. Now that mural that you see right there is the Interesse. I got that in Germany. That mural, I love it. I want to frame that out, but first we're going to customize this closet our way, or I should say with my own design. And then after I get that done, then I will frame out that mural. And I hope that you can appreciate it. And that's what it looks like. Just to give you a little idea of what my closet looks like. That picture right there, I have to give it to my friend. That's why you see the corners on it still. But everything that you see up there has storage as well. It's not just decor. Has a purpose. But I like using items for decor as well. And this is my mini closet tour, if we can call it that. Now, I have a question for you. That's a Temu delivery. Would you guys like to see a Temu haul next, or what I got from AFES BX, which is the military exchange department store haul, or do you want to see a thrifting haul? Comment below and let your girl know, and we'll get doing that real soon. Okie dokie. I hope you like what you saw and that you grasped some ideas as to how you can store items with these storage solutions that I previously showcased in the video. Let me know. So tell me, sugar cookies, what do you think of my storage solutions? Again, the closet, I know it's not anything that is like, oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous, but it has kind of like a little boutique-y atelier feel to me, and that's what I like. I love the, I like my desk, how old it is, and I just switched out the knobs to crystal ones, and I even left it chippy because it just, I don't know, again, it gives me that old world European. I was doing so good. What are words?
Don't judge me.
So that's the kind of feel and aesthetic that I have for that closet. Let me know what you think of my storage solutions. I think that this system for now works really well. I like how I can see all of my purses. I know I have a little ways to go, but that's okay. Now I have an idea of what's where, and I can just simply pull it down. I have to pull down all the dust bags to open them up and see what's in there. That, you know, that's the pain in the caboodie. Then that shoe storage solution was great. I priced quality over quantity. You know that I'm bougie, and I'm not gonna apologize for that, but guess what? Come on, class, say it with me. I'm bougie, but
I'm bougie on the budget.
if you like this kind of content, you like this video, you found a chuckle, a laugh or two, smash that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Post your notification bell, you know, the ding 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 dong bell, and select option all.
This way YouTube lets you know of all the videos I upload.
Share the videos because this way it tells in your algorithm that like-minded people are engaging, that you like my content, that you want to see more of my content, and I want to upload more videos. Post your communications, your comments, concerns, ideas, or suggestions in the comments below. Please be patient as I review and I answer accordingly. I love reading all your comments, and I try to answer your comments as soon as I can. I love engaging with you. I like reading your thoughts. I like seeing the communication. Let's keep that going. And if no one has told you lately,
You was kind, you was intelligent, you was smart.
and most importantly, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you with an eternal love. The Word of God says that no greater love has a man than to lay down his life for his friends. And that's exactly what Jesus Christ did for you and me on the cross of Calvary thousands of years ago. He didn't stay there though. He rose on the third day and is now seated at the right hand of God the Father, always, always, always interceding for you and interceding for me. Remember that the Word of God says that he who has begun a good work in you is faithful and just to complete it to the very end. Having said all that, be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next lifestyle moment. Look what I did. Basically with this hand, my left hand, I did my eyeliner. What you think? What you think? Not too bad, not too bad. This one-arm challenge situation is kind of working out, very challenging, but I'm doing it. Ay, qué calor. I'm starting to verschwitz in here. It's a little, I'm getting, what a wear. You should see how I get this top knot done. Top knot done. I have to bend myself over and then brush with this hand, slowly gather it with this hand, and then put it in a rubber band. Challenges, but guess what? I'm getting it done. I gotta go. Buh. Oh no, where's my ball? I dropped my ball. Guys, I gotta go get my ball. You still there? One arm mostly. Is this thing on? Oh my goodness, it is on. Why do I do this every single time? Cabrutas.
Okay, medication is starting to kick in. Hurry up, girl.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.